Saramonic has changed the professional camera-mountable UHF wireless game again. Introducing the Saramonic UwMic9S Kit 1 and 2. Advanced wireless UHF lavalier systems with 1 or 2 transmitters with a single portable dual receiver. The next generation of the incredibly successful UwMic9 systems, upgraded in every way. They combine the ease of use, industry-leading flexibility, and remarkable pricing of the original systems. With a newly engineered design, premium, high-quality lavaliers, elevated sound quality, dedicated mic and line inputs on transmitters, lithium-ion power with up to 8-hour runtime, up to 36% lighter system weight, and an impressive list of even more pro features that drastically set it far apart from the original system and any competitor in its class. They deliver high-quality, broadcast-worthy sound to cameras, recorders, mixers, and more with either 3.5mm or XLR microphone inputs. Perfect for interviews, film, dialogue, broadcast TV, news, and high-level content creation of any kind. Designed for demanding professionals with the sound quality, performance, and power pros need, but is so easy to use, even beginners can use them right out of the box. The systems give you the range and power needed for professional applications that 2.4 GHz and mini wireless systems just cannot match. With up to 330 feet in range with flexible, positionable whip antennas, you can film wider shots in less controlled environments and even conceal the transmitters without fear of dropouts. The transmitters and receiver each have a 2000 milliamp lithium-ion battery and a USB-C power port to charge and power even while in use. The TX9S transmitters feature dedicated mic and line inputs, allowing you to transmit microphones or line-level signal wirelessly. You can use the included DK3 lavaliers or other 3.5mm TRS microphone, and mixers, music players, or any line-level device output you want to transmit wirelessly. A selectable 9-step input gain control lets you get perfect levels and sound quality every time, and high-quality sound is what the UwMic9S systems are all about. Both include the Saramonic DK3's premium omnidirectional lavaliers, designed for truly excellent sonic performance and specially tailored for dialogue. They deliver a crisp, full-frequency response and increased vocal intelligibility. Yes, I completely agree. I feel that actors do need training in order to perfect and really hone their craft. Each lav comes with everything you see here to get great sound anywhere. The RX9S dual camera mountable receiver features a dizzying array of input and output options, allowing users to maximize their recording capabilities. It features a 3.5mm mic line input with level control and plug-in power, enabling users to mix in an external mic, mixer, or audio source. Perfect for an on-camera shotgun mic or even another wireless receiver. A 3.5mm headphone output lets you monitor the sound in real time. The RX9S features a selectable mono stereo output that lets you control how the audio is recorded. With 2 dedicated outputs and including multiple output cables. It features a 150 Hz low-cut filter to eliminate excessive low-frequency rumble, and physical group A and B power switches to easily conserve power when using only one transmitter. Also included is a watertight and impact-proof hard case, which lets you take the systems anywhere and know that they will arrive safe and ready for action. Kit 2 includes 2 TX9S transmitters with DK3 lavaliers, an RX9S dual receiver, and everything you see here. Kit 1 includes 1 TX9S transmitter with DK3 lavalier, an RX9S dual receiver, and everything you see here, but allows you to add a second transmitter later if needed. The UwMic9S wireless systems are the most feature-packed dual wireless UHF system on the market today, offering innovative features, performance, and flexibility that drastically sets it apart from the competition, while delivering crystal clear professional sound. The UwMic9S is also an expanding system, with additional optional transmitters and receivers, making it an ideal choice for demanding professionals and content creators that need an advanced, full-featured professional UHF wireless system for a remarkable price.